Thank you for joining BB Cat today as we walk the path of the flatfoot. Today we're starting episode 6 in the beginner's path, which is the Restorative River. In ancient Rome, amidst their bustle and brilliance, people honored rest through the Thermae. Those were the public baths that were temples of restoration. Citizens of all classes passed through these warm pools, cold plunges, steam rooms scented with herbs, and quiet resting chambers. This wasn't luxury, it was considered essential to the mind, body, and spirit. The Romans believed that water washed away more than sweat. It washed away stagnation, stress, and sorrow. The restorative river carries that ancient wisdom forward. Slow down, immerse, renew. Let's talk about why rest matters on the path of the flatfoot. The body does not grow in the moment of effort. It grows in the moment after. Rest actually reduces stress. It calms inflammation. It improves your digestion and sleep, supports emotional stability, and resets the nervous system. Rest isn't the absence of progress, it is progress. Following along with our theme on the beginner's path, we're going to do some very small, very basic 1 to 3 minute restorative river rituals. And these 3 rituals will be something that you can do anywhere and take into your daily life. Because small steps result in big changes. So the first river ritual that we're going to do, we'll call the river breath. So I'd like for you to inhale through your nose, pause, and now let's exhale longer than your inhale, like a river flowing downstream. Let's try that again. We're going to inhale through the nose. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now pause. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now exhale longer than your inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This simple exercise triggers the body's built-in relaxation response. So remember, to do the river breath, you inhale through the nose, you pause, and just make sure that your exhale goes longer than your inhale. And imagine a river flowing downstream. For our simple river ritual, number 2 of 3, we're going to do what I like to call the moonlight melt. Lie down or sit comfortably, and I want you to imagine moonlight softening each part of your body. Let's start with the top of your head. The moonlight is softening away any stress from the day. Now imagine it working its way down. Your face is softening. Any tension that you held in your face. Now your jaw, any clenching of the jaw, any tightness in the jaw, the moonlight is washing that away. Now it's going through your neck, loosening up your neck, and now your shoulders. And now it's moving through your belly. Let go of anything you're holding in your belly, and the moonlight is softening that away. Now it's moving through your legs, working its way down to your knees, through your calves, and now through your feet. Release tension like pebbles dropping into water. The moonlight is melting it away. And our third and final simple ritual that you can do anytime, anywhere, we will call the drift and float stretch. You can be sitting down or lying down. Just want you to gently rock your body from side to side. Make a slow, rhythmic, soothing rocking. Imagine like you're floating in warm water. It's just to float through warm water. And these are our 3 simple 1 to 3 minute rituals that you can incorporate into your life every single day for a very small change that will result in big impact. Once again, those 3 exercises will be the river breath, the moonlight melt, melting away all your tension, and finally, the drift and float stretch, like you're floating down a river. Let's talk a little bit about when doing less is doing more. The world teaches us to push harder, but the river teaches us another truth. Water reshapes stone without force. You can heal without pushing. If you have felt overwhelmed, burnout, tired, the restorative river is where you return to remember your softness. Imagine dipping your hands into a cool current. We're going to let the river tell us a story to help you relax and restore. So you've got your hands dipped in the cool current of water. Light ripples are shimmering outward around you. Just like your small acts of self-care, these will radiate into all areas of your life. Your lantern guide curls beside you, tail glowing like warm fireflies. You do not have to earn rest, it whispers. Rest is your birthright. As you rise from the riverbank, feel the renewed energy moving through you, not from effort, but from release. Before we part, traveler, remember to listen to your own inner wisdom. Your body knows what feels right, what feels safe, and what it's ready for. These 10 teachings are gentle lanterns to guide you, not medical advice. If you're ever unsure, take a moment to learn more or to speak with a trusted health professional before beginning anything new. Walk softly, move wisely, and let your inner light show you the way. As the river quiets behind you, a warm, glowing sanctuary appears ahead, inviting your body to be cared for in a new way. Thank you for joining us on the beginner's path.